Hello, my friends. Welcome on BEP Easy Drawing for Kids. Today we are going to draw Lucy from Ben and Holly. I start with her face.
Where acorns grow as big as trees and mushrooms.
Then I draw her hair.
Knees. Fairies flutter, wings aglow. Welcome friends, the show will go. The elf, he loves to build
Her ears.
tiny gadgets nicely milled.
And complete her hair.
Go astray.
Then I draw her eyes.
All day. Ben and Holly, friends so true. Adventures waiting.
I draw her eyelash, eyebrow, her nose, and her smile.
Old elf with beard so white tells the tales of day and night.
Then I draw her body, draw her arms, then complete her body. Let's finish her other arm. I draw her legs. Then I draw her shoes.
But watch out for the Goblin King.
I'm going to draw a cute rabbit. Start with the eyes, nose, the smile. I draw the ears, then the face. I draw the body. I draw the legs. And the tail. I'm going to draw Lucy drink. Then I draw the muffin.
Lucy, Lucy, smile so wide. Friends all around on a joyful ride. Fairy spells and elvish tricks. A day in the kingdom is a perfect. In the city, toys come from a store, but here magic opens every door.
I draw some flour.
A pebble sings, a flower talks, with whispered spells and special sparks. The anthill bustles, a tiny town, and dewdrops shine like jewels.
Let's coloring Lucy with light pink color.
Wise old elf gives her a tour. The castle small, the tree house more. Tells old tales of magic gone, with dragons fierce and heroes strong. Nanny Plum shares picnic treats, with jelly laughs and happy. The king
And her hair with light brown color.
just for a day like special things. She flutters round the bramble maze, with butterflies and sunlit haze. But watch out for that goblin crew. Their silly tricks
And her
might
dress with
target
orange
you.
color.
Lucy, Lucy,
What is your
smile
dress
so
favorite
wide.
color?
Friends all round on a joyful ride. Fairy spells
And her shoes is
elvish
green
tricks.
color.
A day in the kingdom holds her in its arms.
Let's coloring the rabbit with pink. Then cream color.
The kingdom holds her in its arms. The king and queen give Lucy wings, just for a day like special things. She flutters round the bramble maze, with butterflies
Purple
and
color.
sunlit haze. But watch out for that goblin crew. Their silly tricks might target you. Lucy, Lucy, smile
Dark
so
blue
wide.
color.
Friends all round on a joyful ride. Fairy spells and elvish tricks. A day in
Blue.
the kingdom holds her in its arms.
Cream color.
Big world its special charms, but little kingdom holds her in its
Yellow.
arms. With tiny wonders all
Let's color the muffin with brown color.
like a treasure
As big
found.
as trees and mushrooms hide the smallest knees. Fairies flutter, wings aglow.
Cream color.
Friends, the show will go. The elf, he loves
Hot
to
pink
build
color.
tiny gadgets nicely milled. Holly's wand might go astray.